must have heard it, right? What he was saying? I mean, him. No one knows this. Because I never spoke about it. But you hear even unspoken words, right? She must have heard it many times. The dream of mine that I too have a hope of mine whose walls would be painted with the colors I like. Could have nails where I want. Hold up a calendar. My own kitchen. My own family. I am too scared, Lord. You have never given such immense joy all at once. I threw so many tantrums when it came to you. Now I came to know. Your blessings were for this day, right? Now I will meet you in my new place. In my new house. I will stitch a new pretty stole for your Parvati. It will have mirror work and will be bright azure, the color that you are. But I don't know if I get the cloth I like over there. I will ask him. By him, I mean Varun. That's the only point I didn't match out. I wish his name would have been after one of yours.
No. I don't know, sir. I don't know, sir. Listen to me, sir. Sir, no, sir. No.
What do you know?
I'm not lying, sir. I'm not lying. I'll die, sir. I will die. Sir, I'm not lying. Forgive me, sir. I don't know. I don't know, sir. Sir, I'm a simple and straight person. I don't know anything.
Are you so simple?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You don't know anything?
I don't know anything. I swear by God.
Rise again.
No, sir. No.
It seems we have got the wrong man.
Yes, sir. Yes. I am a layman, sir. I haven't done anything wrong ever.
I'm out of bullets. Do you have any?
How many, sir?
Simple ones need just one.
No, sir. Sir, I'm not lying. Sir, I'm the most simple person on earth.
Let's shoot him in the head. He won't feel anything.
Sir, I'm not lying. Why would I lie at all?
Shoot from a distance. His wits are too quick. Just be careful.
Sir, I'm not lying, sir.
Bury him. Don't cremate him. That might produce a stench. Especially when it's him.
Sir, please listen to me, sir. Sir,
Shut up, man.
Sir, I will speak. I don't know
Speak
anything.
up. The truth.
I'm speaking the truth, sir. I don't know anything, sir.
Tell me the truth.
No.
Truth only.
No, sir. No, sir. Sir, no, please. No, sir. Sir, have mercy. Have mercy. Ah!
Sir! Sir, the guns. There are big guns.
What?
Sir, I have seen many big guns. Over there.
Where?
Over there. Over there, sir.
Bindia, show them to me. Come.
Not me, sir. Don't take me along. Please don't take me.
Bindia, why are you scared? You're just like my daughter. I'm there for you. Come.
I don't want to.
Come with me. Bindia, you're very innocent. I hope you didn't come across a ghost. Sometimes they cause such illusions.
They weren't ghosts, sir. They were no ghosts. In fact, I saw real people. If Paro... They should not reach Paro. Sir, Paro is in danger.
Paro? Where is Paro?
She's on the terrace.
Terrace? What is she doing on the terrace?
She has gone to meet Mr. Varun. Actually, I took her to meet him over there secretly, sir.
Bhima, go and check immediately. Go and check whether Paro and Varun are safe or not. Right away.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I suppose the matter is quite dangerous. The cops must be informed.
The help of cops will not be needed. I am here. Let me look into the matter first. Come. Come with me.
Oh my god. Paro has come here. Don't be scared. I am only for men, you see. Your groom is quite lovable and innocent. If you are smart enough, then you can make him dance to your tunes. You're about to start a new life. Learn from me how to subdue men. I'll teach you for free. Look, there are different kinds of women in this world. But God has made 3 kinds of men. The first kind of men are the young men. They are playful, exuberant, and mischievous. They think that life is a game. But they also fear. In case they lose this game, then what? Hence, when they start becoming matured, try manipulating them with affection. The second kind of are darlings to their moms. There is not much difference between the first and the second kind. The first kind play in the courtyard and the second kind always found around the mothers. Do keep in mind that you should never go against their mothers in their presence, or else they will be against you. By the way, there is another way, you see. Every night, shed a lot of tears, and then watch how they are moved by your tears. And what about the third kind? Oh my. What's the matter, Paro? It seems you're listening to me very attentively. That's okay. I'll tell you how the third kind of men are. Animal. There's a little difference between animals and such kind of men. Animal has a heart, and these kind of men, they have knife instead of a heart. They suffer from within and make the lives of the ones they love miserable too. Like my Rudra. Now just forget about all this. You didn't worry, because Varun is a human.
Paro, you're here? Come on, let's go. Be quick. Where is Bindya?